What's going on, guys? Back to Mad on RC. Today we'll be unboxing the FTX Outlaw. Look at this puppy. And this year's FTX Outlaw. Bought this for a new guy that's coming onto the channel, which will be my 5-year-old son. So we'll be seeing some footage on this. Footage! In the box, these are the contents we get. Let's have a look inside. Empty. There's a transmitter. A lot better than that armor crating, I'd say. Or your steering trim, throttle trim. It's like a bind button, and all your other switches that we never use. 2.4 gigahertz. Empty. Extra bits in the packaging. Charger as well. Yeah, it's not LiPo. You can get the brushless version, but obviously because it's for my 5-year-old son, but brushless would be a little bit too much for him. Bin. What batteries you got? Standard 7.2 volt 1800 milliamp, which are in the car, which we'll show you in a minute. But at the hobby shop, we've got spare batteries, and we've got 7.2 volt 3000 milliamp. So we'll see what the difference is between the two. I'm guessing it'll just be an extended battery life. So we've got charger, bind key, as Dan said, and spare aerial adapter or aerial protector. Charging process. No. Destruction manual, as Dan says. Any parts lists? Ooh. So we've got the user manual and parts and upgrades listing. Boost. Put the shit that way. Alright, let's pop the hood. Four standard body clips. Spare wheel on the back, which isn't just for show, it's an actual wheel. That's good. And there's your standard 1800 7.2 volt battery. Alloy shock tops, or alloy shocks. You see, the good thing about these sort of cars, I believe, is there's not really that much to them. So for buying it for someone that's obviously a lot younger, it's going to be easily and cheap to fix and replace parts. You've got a little on-off switch, so you can install your battery and then just reach under the shell, which I think is pretty good. Underneath we've got center drive shaft, which I'm not too sure about, but that's the same layout as on the Slash, so can't be too bad. Got any snips down? Pretty good suspension, not bottoming out at all. So I think it'll handle it well. Yep, it is. If you are considering buying one of these trucks, just note that all the parts are plastic. Everything is plastic, apart from the wishbones and the steering linkages. They're the only metal parts in here, and obviously the alley shocks. But all, as Dan has just said, all the yokes, everything's plastic. But we'll do a review once we've run the car, and we can let you all know how it is. Please like, comment and subscribe to see more footage from ourselves. Cheers guys.
Peace.